John, where did this Mercury come from? When did it come in your possession, and how, and what made you buy it?
I was buying Woody's back 20 years ago, and I wanted a convertible Woody, and Ford was making Ford Sportsmans and Mercury Sportsmans. And so I decided to buy one, and so anyway, I found this one and put all, brand new wood, but I wanted to update the driveline to a modern driving car versus the old flathead. So anyway, I went and had...
You got the Chevy V8?
Chevy V8 with the Fat Man front end with a 9-inch rear end, frame-off restoration.
Yeah, it looks just as good underneath as it does on top.
Yes, it does.
And you got automatic, no on the column anymore.
Correct.
You got some power windows in this.
Power windows, power top.
What about that interior, the leather, or is it vinyl?
No, I think it is leather, and they took the old springs out and put real foam in them, so they did a good job on that. And custom steering wheel.
1947 Mercury Sportsman Convertible. How many of these do you think they made?
When it comes to Mercury's, they only made like 350.
350.
And probably there's only 4 or 5 left.
Okay. And you put the fuel injection on it, or
yes,
with the engine, the Sniper? So
yeah.
It's dependable and probably even gets decent gas mileage.
Yeah, good gas mileage. Starts right up. Good running car.
Okay. And the mahogany and the...
Maple.
Yeah, where did that wood come from? Who did that? Was that a kid or somebody?
No, that was all hand done, just like Ford did back when they did it.
No machines, by hand.
Yeah, all done by hand.